I started running from pink peanut patties, pink cap pistols, and pink bunny rabbits. Yeah, that's right, because Sheila, yeah, pink bunny rabbit. I mean, I'm running. I'm trying to get away from them because I know they're going to kill me. And so when I said, my husband said, I'm going to die today or somebody's going to die today. I know they're going to kill me. I was hallucinating. I tried to jump up, straight. I want to jump up, straight up, and jump over those pink peanut patties, over those pink cap pistols, over those pink bunny rabbits.